Hi, we're in the car on the way to California. Wait, I want to show everyone that it's raining. Here's baby. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Jenny doesn't have a shirt on.
I never wear shirts.
We're listening to reggae on the way to LA. Look at the weather. Woo! It's raining in August in the desert. So, turn the music down.
Hold on. I need mine.
I asked Mother Earth to make it rain in July, and she asked me how long I wanted to make it rain for, and I said, well, why don't you make it rain the rest of the summer, because, you know, we really need it. And so, it's raining. I hope you can see that. Ethan! Hi! Hi! So we're very grateful for the rain. Thank you.